Hey Patch, are you gonna let me pet you? You gonna let me pet you? Yeah. That, folks, is a goat in labor. She's starting because she never lets me touch her. Hey folks, Rob, Tune Ranch Homestead. We're here. Came out this morning feeding the goats and whatever, and Patch is in labor. She has some discharge coming. She's starting to push a little bit, and you saw that she allowed me to actually pet her. Excuse me. She never lets me do that. She's actually kind of been calm lately. But I'll add on to this as we go. Maybe get some pictures. Right now she's laying down and she is uncomfortable as can be. So we're out here. Melody's on the way home. So maybe we'll catch this birth. Maybe we won't. All right. Catch you soon. Okay, people, breaking the action for a second. Melody came home from work. She works overnights, and she's in there with the goats right now. She's got her camera on, filming, and I gotta run over to the feed store to get feed for the chickens, get some alfalfa pellets for the goat mamas, and some beet shreds, which I like to mix in their food. Well, not shreds, beet pulp pellets. So we're going to run over to McCarthy's, do that. But wanted a quick note on something here. These three goats go essentially have kids. They're all Norwegian Dwarf dairy goats. And they have, their fathers are either Craig or Debo. So this is a true dairy breed through and through. These are not mixes. Well, Minnie has a little bit of something else in her, but pretty much these are all true. They're just not registered. So we'll have some good dairy lines at the farm. Of course, I've said many times that I don't want dairy goats really, but we're going to have them. I already have potential buyers for some of these goats, which is kind of crazy. I had actual buyers before they even popped out, which is even better because it's private buyers. It's not going through an auction house or anything like that. But we're going to see what Patch pops out. We're kind of hoping that she's kind of like twins with a boy and a girl. I like to get a buck out of her. I like to get a doe out of her. But then again, you know, do you really need a doe when you're trying to go meat breed when she's a dairy breed? But we can always mix it up a little bit and have a half and half. And those do pretty darn good on sales around here. A lot of people like the half and halves. A lot of people like the Norwegian Dwarf goat around here, and they also like, of course, the Nubian, which the Nubian is really dairy, but a lot of people will use it for meat too. But that's that from here in the car going to the feed store, and I will send you back to the goat birthing.
I'm not kidding you.
She's got triplets?
She's got 3.
Working out in the garage and all of a sudden I get yelled for. We got 3 babies. Let's get to it. Well, we give birth around 1 o'clock here. And yeah, she has triplets, folks. Patch had triplets. Holy smokes. All right, we'll get back to you. Okay, we're back. We might have the video of them giving birth. Melody might have filmed that or got it. I'll place that in before. But they're all 3 girls. Patch is cleaning them all up. Minnie keeps on trying to get in there. We keep moving her away. One's probably going to be called Mouthy. Oh wait, we had that. Never mind. But one is moon spotted, which is really nice, and they're poking through. And Minnie's taking care of Patch's rear end. That's great.
That's disgusting. Do
Yes,
not feed her after birth.
Blech. Sorry, folks. All right. We'll keep you up to date on this one. We'll keep going. Oh, jeez. Yeah. You're disgusting, Minnie. All right, folks. Next morning, all the babies are good. Under the heat lamp, chilling out. Mama, well, there's a glare, but there she is. She's doing fine. The other little ones, they're all running around now. They're getting out in the yard. So they're doing that. So we got 6. We're doing really good. 1 male, 5 females. I think we're probably going to keep most of them, except for Jack, the male. There's the first one born. That's Rhythm. There she is. She knows I'm talking about her. You know, her white fur is a little pinkish red, orange today, but she's pushed out some things. Of course, she'll have discharge for a few weeks, as others do, but she's doing really good. She thinned out pretty decent. She's kind of sunk in a little bit back after giving birth. Rhyme is, well, she's Rhyme. She really is not the best mother. And we think this is her first time around. We bought her as a nanny, but I don't think she was a nanny. Her milk sac really wasn't dropped. And with being only 1 and really not taking care and letting Minnie take over, kind of puts me to the point she's the first time. We're deciding if we keep her or not. But Minnie, she's doing pretty good. She's still plump, still fat and sassy, and she's sunk in a little bit. But both of them had kind of easy labors because they're proven nannies, but Patch clearly has an issue with a foot, with one of her hooves, so we'll take a look at that today. And Minnie, she had 1, 2, and it gets some buildup. We clean it out, we hoof and heel it, which the link is in my description through my Amazon affiliate store. But she was having like a nerve issue on her back driver's or passenger leg, and now she stands on it. So we're doing pretty good. So that's it for now. The only other one we're expecting definitely is Boo. She's in a week or 2, I think 10 days. Spot might be pregnant. We didn't have her checked, and it's okay if she is or if she isn't. But she looks like she is. And then Coco we removed from the herd back here because she was the lowest on the totem pole, to the point to where they wouldn't let her in. And so we moved her back with Black Mama and Betty. So she's in the back. Oh. Rhyme is actually letting Rhythm feed off of her, which she does do, but she just doesn't watch over her a lot. So that goat kind of gets milk from her and Minnie. So we just got to keep an eye on it and make sure that Minnie doesn't go dry, and Jack and Felicia don't miss out. But yeah, Coco's in back. I don't believe she's bred. She might be bred. Gray Mama, of course, Black Mama. Black Mama is definitely not pregnant, and Betty is definitely not pregnant. So we got them in back of the barn with the sheep. They're just penned up separately, and they're doing good together, all three of them. Betty is kind of the leader of the group, but she's not super mobile. Her arthritis is just getting to her. She has melatonin in her, and after they get a few years old, all their joints just get super stiff. Because people go around and scare them, and they fall over, and they stiffen up. It's just hard on their joints. We don't do that to them because, honestly, we don't like to do that. But that's where we're at. I'll leave you guys be, and I'll see you on the next one. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. It's baby goats, man. How can you not like baby goats? All right, see ya.